Hey guys, welcome. Frank here with Freedom Technologies. Today we're in Port Royal, Naples, Florida, talking about light touch. This particular house, we're doing a light touch takeover by Luxon. Let's go inside and take a look and see what we did here. Hey guys, welcome. We're in the living room here. As you can see, as soon as I walked in, the presence sensor on the ceiling picked us up. The lights automatically came on. If I need to adjust the lights for any reason after they have come on, I can automatically go to the Touch Pure, touch it. As you can see, we have a next scene, which is like an evening scene. One more tap and it's an off. So we turn it back on. Touch Pure again, we've got shade control on the left side, audio control on the right side. And even here with this light touch takeover, we are controlling the temperature in this home. Every Touch Pure has a temperature sensor and a humidity sensor. The nice part about this light touch takeover by Luxon, we're utilizing the same wiring that was here for the previous keypads. We're using that to power our Touch Pure Airs that we're using in this particular installation. Now let's go take a look at some panels that we have and how that looks. All right, we're in one of the utility rooms in this home. This home had 3 panels throughout the house. Let's take a look at what we actually did with the panel. So we kept the original panel. We took out some of the supports that the old modules were in, and we installed Luxon 4-channel dimmer modules. In this particular instance, we've got 8 of them. Utilize all the existing 110 volt wiring going into the Molex connectors. And to get our communication up and running with our Luxon Link, we utilized the existing wiring that was daisy chained from panel to panel. And all we did was extend that wiring throughout, put in our own 24 volt power supply in the panel, and that's it, and we were up and running. This particular job was about 2 days worth of work to get it up and running. So now we're in the garage, which there was no light touch control, it was manual switches, but with Luxon and our air technology, we added some fun stuff. For example, you see the presence sensor behind me. As soon as the client's doors start opening, when he starts pulling in, the lights automatically come on. Or remote garage entry right from Luxon. Hit the button, and the garage door starts opening. All retrofitted easily with Luxon air products. As with all of our Luxon jobs that we do, we love to put in an iPad on the wall for the clients to be able to make additional changes if they need to. Again, Luxon is about simplicity. Walk into a room and the lights come on. But here we've got some lighting controls for them. We can do lighting. If I need to open up the garage control, I can open up the left garage door, middle, or right from the iPad. Or take and shut the whole house off if I needed to. But if you don't shut the lights off, guess what's gonna happen? They're gonna go off eventually by themselves. And that's the whole point of Luxon. All right, now we're outside in this beautiful garden here in this Port Royal home. Luxon is not only for controlling stuff on the inside, but it controls all of our lighting on the outside. And this garden has some beautiful landscape lighting. Luxon knows exactly when the sunset is, anywhere on the planet, anytime. So what's gonna happen here in a little bit, as soon as the sun goes down behind me, these beautiful lights are gonna come on. No buttons, no changes, it just happens. All by Luxon. As we finish up this tour here, this beautiful home in Port Royal and this light touch takeover, what we did here, again, we utilized all the same existing wiring that was used by the light touch system. We replaced the dimmer modules, we replaced them with Luxon modules, utilized the existing wiring, made all the connections, put in our air touch pures. We're using it for all kinds of stuff, and we added a few fun things, including the garage door controls, outdoor landscape lighting control, and we're monitoring the temperature in some of the areas in the house. So Luxon makes it easy. If you have a light touch system that's outdated or some of the modules aren't working, count on Luxon to be able to make it happen easily.